So right now, you're very kind in the real midst of H-1B cap season, and right about the show. How's that been treating you?
Registration is so annoying. I
Yeah,
cannot tell you how much I hate registration. I understand the government's reasoning for creating this system. I get it. Do I think it's effective? No, I do not. Because guess what? We are in a perpetual cycle of H-1Bs.
hmm
Previous to this registration, you had Hell Month, March.
yeah,
You're up half the night. Your team is up, but you're done. You get it
yeah,
out April. Okay, and you sit and wait. This is what we are like. But we had three selections that bled into February when we're doing the next season's gap registrations. It's a little ridiculous. So, but we're okay. I mean, I have a good, my team, we're organized. I have an infrastructure down. We know how to do it. And I'm very like risk averse. So one of my biggest pet peeves is waiting till the last minute of doing anything. So our goal normally is to finish cap registrations this week, you
hmm
know, because I always believe Murphy's Law. What will
yeah.
go wrong will go wrong if you wait till the last minute. Um, so hopefully we'll be done by the end of this week. But yeah,
Yeah, our
it's
firm started to do H-1B this year, and like we have one company who still hasn't sent half their stuff, and
yeah,
others like we're still doing essentially prepping H-1B just to make sure everything's in order, and we're
yeah,
issues are popping up, but they don't have this or they don't know that document. It's like okay, like we've been together since December, and why are you waiting till March 1st to like finally respond? But that's just the nature of this beast, and that's why one of the reasons I didn't want to do H-1B is because I hate having deadlines because
hmm
deadlines make things go really bad, and so those are things that make you lose sleep at night when there's a Child Status Protection Act issue or a child aging out. I'm like, we got to get those things like because it's so sensitive. The person's dead if they don't. So that always frustrates me. I try to avoid it, but we have so many clients that want H-1B. So okay, we got to open up this practice area and do it.
you have to. I mean, it's a good area, but you're absolutely right. I tell everybody I have night terrors. I've had
Yeah,
night terrors for 20 years because I don't know. Did we miss a deadline? What is it that I don't know? Like that's
yeah,
my whole always thing. What is it that I don't know? What's coming down that I forgot to do or my team forgot to do or and stuff like that. So, but again, it is a good area. I love employment base. I'm done it for so long. I still get that thrill when I get an H approval or an L approval or a perm approval. Like, so I think for me, I'm really definitely chose the right field, even if it chose me.
yeah.
It just still satisfying, still feels good, and I don't know that most people have that in their occupation, right? That they still 22 years later, they still feel
Yeah.
good when they have a little win.